Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most common words in daily life. Yesterday,
Ieri,
today,
astăzi,
tomorrow,
mâine,
now,
acum,
home,
casă,
work,
muncă,
friend,
prieten,
family,
familie,
here,
aici,
there,
acolo,
this,
acesta,
that,
acela,
day,
zi,
people,
oameni,
and,
și,
but,
dar,
because,
pentru că,
to do,
a face,
to go,
a merge,
to be,
a fi,
to have,
a avea,
to want,
a vrea,
to see,
a vedea,
to come,
a veni,
to say.
a spune.
Quiz time.
A veni. A veni. Acolo. Acolo.
The answer is
Acum. Acum. Casă. Casă.
the correct answer is
A merge. A merge. Prieten. Prieten.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.